Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Need to pay your Meralco bill first? Skip the lines and use Gcash. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First of all, open the Gcash app and log in with your MPIN. Tap Pay Bills, then select Electric Utilities and choose Meralco. Enter your Meralco reference number, account name, and the amount to pay. Double check the details to avoid errors. Tap Next, review your payment, then press Confirm. You will receive a Gcash SMS confirmation. And that's it. Your Meralco bill is paid instantly using Gcash. Stay connected and hassle-free. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.